So a couple students have sent me messages about the concept builders, and the last one in particular, and this was Josh Zelinsky who sent me a screenshot, is a bit challenging. I know that if you get three of the four of them, you're probably good, but I want to at least talk about how to get this fourth one. So the idea is that you're trying to pick what kind of charge is on B, C, and D. So the key thing is if you have objects that are negatively charged, they are repelled from each other. They always have to have the same charge, negative and negative, or positive and positive. If you have two objects that attract, they could either be the opposite charges, positive and negative, or one could be charged and the other could be neutral, which would be attracted due to polarization, which is something I've mentioned in my other videos. So let's go through the logic in this case. It says object A is negatively charged. So I'm going to come up here with this. I'm going to say object B, and then we're going to do object C, and then object D. Okay, so if it's annoying screwing up with this. Anyhow, if object B and object A attract, then B could be either negative or neutral, because either one of those would be attracting the object A. For object C, now it says that objects B and C attract. Well, if object B is neutral, then object C could be either positive or negative. If object B is negative, then object C could be positive. So it's got to be either, actually it could be neutral too. If object B is negative, then object C could be neutral. So this could be plus, minus, or neutral. So for object D then, when I look at this, it says that object A or C and D repel. So that's actually useful, very useful. So if C is positive, D could be positive. If C is negative, it could be negative. That also tells me now that C can't be neutral, because objects C and D can't repel if either of them is neutral. So I'm going to get rid of that. So now I want to go back and think about that. And that means that if this attracts to object B, object B could still be neutral. If it's negatively charged, this could be, if B could still be neutral, because it could attract to A and C with being neutral. So I think that's the correct answer, but there's a lot of logic behind these. Sometimes I've got to go through and make a flow chart. So hopefully that helps, at least with how you think about them.